Sweden, a Scandinavian country in northern Europe, is a land of captivating beauty and rich history. It's known for its stunning natural landscapes, from vast forests and sparkling lakes to the mesmerizing northern lights. The country boasts a high standard of living with a strong emphasis on equality, innovation and sustainability. Sweden offers a unique blend of modern sophistication and traditional charm, making it a fascinating destination for travelers worldwide. Imagine a place where modern cities seamlessly blend with pristine nature, where ancient history whispers through medieval castles and Viking ruins, where a deep respect for nature and a commitment to sustainability shape everyday life. That's Sweden. Sweden's strategic location in northern Europe has shaped its destiny, leading to a rich tapestry of historical events and cultural influences. From its Viking heritage to its rise as a global power, Sweden's story is one of resilience, innovation, and a deep connection to its natural surroundings. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the wonders of Sweden, exploring its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. Visible during the winter months in Swedish Lapland, the Northern Lights is a truly awe-inspiring natural phenomenon. Whether you're seeking adventure in the great outdoors, tranquility by a serene lake, or the magic of the Northern Lights, Sweden's natural wonders are sure to leave a lasting impression. From its enchanting forests and shimmering lakes to its captivating archipelago and celestial displays, Sweden is a nature lover's paradise.